Morning guys, July 8th, 2026. So now I got a call for, guy's got some outside faucets he needs changed. And one of them's an issue, one of them's needs to be replaced for sure. The other one might be leaking from the vacuum breaker. I might be able to fix it. Off here, it jumps up with a couple of elbows. I got a bleeder. I should be able to open it up outside and cut this with the grinder, get it out of here and get a new one in and solder it. Oh, I think that might be a 10-inch. I think I got 8s in the truck. Oh, this handle is just wokey. It's just flipping mess, man. Not even connected. You have to put some loose screws in there. Get a couple of screws loose, mama. Guts out of this one. This was an 8-inch. Usually what I stock is the 8s. I'll go downstairs and cut the other one out. Just bring what I need in my bucket. If I can even get in there. I guess so. Try that with a Pro Press. Should be off. I should be able to make a cut. Should be able to make a cut there and then back that off, I think, with a grinder. Maybe. Real tight one, mama. Real tight one. Can I even get in there? No, really, I'd cut the whole thing off, I guess. Good enough for this neighborhood. Get that out and pop this off. It'll give me a lot of room in there, you know. I'll pop that off and clean that and get my torch. Can I do it? Get this shit the hell out of here. I should be able to put the torch this way, maybe. That shouldn't be. Loika. It's gonna be tight to solder up there, but I can probably get it. And on my calibration. I'll bring them other pieces out. I'll know what sizes I need to cut. On my calibration, I should be able to do it. I'll just solder that on there and I'll cut it to length. I took the guts out of it already, so it's easy to solder. I don't have to worry about burning it. I already cleaned this good. little solder. I like to solder these on instead of putting that female adapter on it. They're always better. So it was a better job to solder it. We'll solder that right up there. You don't really need to pull the guts out of the thing, but it doesn't hurt. Just see the solder pull right in like that. See how it went in there nice? That's good. See, we'll take a good look at it. Make sure that it's... Yeah, that's a good solder joint, no problem. We'll screw it. We'll cut it to fit, and then we'll screw it in. The way they have this here is they got a street elbow there. I think what I'll do is I'll put a regular elbow there instead. Look at that, where it comes down. Look at that. I'll put the thing back together because I got a bleeder downstairs already. Soldering downstairs might be a little bit of a difficult situation, but we'll find out, I guess, when I get down there. We'll find out when I get down there, kind of, how difficult will it be? How difficult will it be, Mama? We'll find out, I guess, won't we? I got this. I want to shut this off because I have it. The bleeder downstairs, so I don't need it here. I don't need to bleed it here. This is all. Let that cool for a bit, and we'll We'll see if it works. If not, we can resolder it. Ain't a big deal. So you're able to put this on and turn the water on. It shouldn't leak. It shouldn't leak. I got it off outside. Look at that shit. No leakers. No leaker. No leakers. There you go. I'll put the insulation back.